Welcome to Casa Salentina. I'm Michael and this is Anna. And
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
And we're just coming in just for a real quick short one, just to wish you all a wonderful Christmas and all the best for the coming new year. We will not have a video out this weekend or the Christmas weekend, so you'll see us back in January to continue our videos.
Yep.
So just thank you for following us throughout the year. Thank you for all your warm wishes, the great emails that we've gotten. Thank you for getting us to our 600
subscribers. That's
thank you.
Fantastic.
Just thank you.
Yes, it's all because of you guys, and we appreciate you all watching and commenting. And
yes, and the universe has been so wonderful and kind to us, and we want to spread the same to you guys and hope the universe gives you what you're wishing for and longing for as well. So from our home
to your home,
wishing you nothing but the best, all beautiful things.